Okay, the first one was painting. Acrylics on canvas, painting specifically. There's a lot of things I could have done. Could have tried watercolors. I could have tried painting my front door. That might have been better. Everyone told me it was relaxing. It was meditative. Great way to quiet the mind. One thing that nobody told me is before you paint a single stinking thing, well, you got to go down to the craft store and spend $180 down there. You need brushes, paper, paints, a little wooden easel that it immediately falls over. Whole 9 yards. So I set it all up, did everything I was supposed to do, got my water cup. I'm feeling pretty good about myself. I still didn't know what it was I was going to do, but holy cow, it might have been a sunset, could have been a bowl of fruit, could have been all kinds of stuff. My wife looks at it, she goes, "Oh, is that an abstract you've painted there? Abstract? Sure, let's go with your abstract idea. Forget the painting. I wasn't relaxed. I was stressed, and a little bit, my feelers were hurt, because I was bad. You know, I know you're not supposed to be good at hobbies, but holy cow, I didn't think I sucked that bad. Extreme suckage. Okay, hobby 2. Gardening. Now I know I keep everything inside. I hate the outside. All right, hang on, here we go. I'm not a quitter. Moved into gardening. This one sort of made some sense to me. A little bit of exercise. Grow my own vegetable. Singular. In the world of literature, that is called foreshadowing. Vegetable, not plural. Spent the whole weekend getting set up, getting ready. Got some raised beds going, planted some tomatoes, peppers, a few herbs. Not that kind, at least not yet. Foreshadowing. I sort of felt like a real farmer. Agriculture, baby. Seriously, for about 4 days, I was very proud of myself. Then the weeds showed up. No, not that kind. I want you to understand something. I did not plant weeds. I'm going to say it again. I did not plant weeds, at least not intentionally. But somehow I grew the most spectacular weeds you've ever seen. Great, big, healthy, thriving weeds. If there were markets for weeds, again, not that kind. The tomatoes, I had got 3 of them, 3 actual tomatoes. The rest of the harvest was weeds. Pretty much it, weeds. Learned that I'm an excellent weed farmer, and boy, if that was a transferable skill, ooh, just like downtown, only not so crowded. Now, before I get to number 3, because this one's fairly embarrassing because I did some of it in public, I want to ask you something. Have you tried anything like this? You tried a new hobby, at an older age? Because I'm starting to think this just might be a me sort of a thing. So if you have, drop it in the comments. I mean, if it was a spectacular fail, I really want to hear about it. Now, this one I actually sort of committed to. Did a lot of hours of work. I did Duolingo. I don't know if you've heard about that passive-aggressive little green owl. I was going to call him a bad name, but I won't. Because he stops by every once in a while. You've broken your streak. You were here for like 2 days in a row, and now I haven't seen you for a week and a half. Blah, blah, blah. I know, owl. I get the whole thing. Anyway, I chose Spanish. Hours of Spanish. And I want to be completely transparent with you. I can now say hello, ask where the bathroom is, and order a beer. Yep, that's me. I've had conversations that consist entirely of that in Spanish. I've also accidentally ordered a cup of coffee with a trophy and a pregnant pastry instead of a filled croissant. Enough of the Spanish stuff, okay? I moved on to meditation after that. Oh. I got a nice nap out of it. Frankly, not much more. We went on to other things after that. Some very confusing things. Water aerobics. Bird watching. I really don't get that one. I'm not sure if I'm watching the bird or the bird's watching me. Pickleball. Oh, the world loves pickleball. Frankly, I found it to be pretty damn messy. I also went on a vacation to a tropical island. Much like other cultures, they enjoy relaxing too. and I got a cool hat out of the deal. I met some other interesting people, and I had to wear like this number thing there. That was fun, you know. But again, eventually I had to find my way back home, exhausted, penniless. The payoff, here's the real lesson. Hobbies aren't the solution, at least not for me at this particular point. Having fun is the solution. And I had a blast making this video. I hope you have fun watching it. I hope you have fun in your retirement. Please like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and anything else you can find on the website to do that. And let me know again in the comments if you tried any of these things. Love to hear from you. Okay, bye. See you later.